Mr. Chairman, my name is Dennis Futch. For y'all that don't know who I am, I'm from South Georgia, from Moultrie, from Sam Watson's district, Colquitt County. I've been an accountant for 35 years. I'm an enrolled agent. I'm one of 63 Kiplinger advisors in America that write for the Kiplinger magazine and Kiplinger Online and so forth. I know a little bit about taxes. It could be said it would be counterproductive for me to want y'all to eliminate the state income tax, but it's not about me. It's about what's best and the right thing for the people of the state of Georgia. And that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to help you do, because I believe it would increase economic activity, bring more businesses and retirees to Georgia by far, and the data proves it. Now let me make something clear. We're not talking about reducing revenue or reducing services or social engineering. We're talking about how do we change where the money comes from that pays for all those things. It's not about any of the rest of that, in my opinion. And I also want to say it was a good step forward on property tax when you passed FLOST, but I think you need to revisit this year. I think giving counties and school boards the ability to opt out was a mistake. And we need to go back and look at that again. And I think the discussion here, in light of fairness, in regards to property tax, especially seniors, 67 and older, we should look at using the surpluses that we're going to have, and they will come, to eliminate property taxes on homesteads for those 67 years and older. You should own your home at some point in your life without having to pay the government something. I think we could even give $1,000, up to $1,000 tax credit back to the counties on everybody's property tax with plan. I think there might be some other taxes that we need to look at, maybe raising the excise taxes, like on the sin taxes, tobacco, alcohol. If those people are going to consume those things and be sicker and be a burden on Medicaid and the health system, well, they need to pay a little more to consume those things. If gambling becomes something that y'all pass, well, I think the state needs to take about a 20% cut in that. There's other things that we can do. We can look at Texas, we can look at Iowa, we can look at all these states, but we can go to a zero income tax inside of 5 years and have a $2 billion more surplus per year than we have today. The numbers support it. And I encourage you to take a look at it. I provided this plan that I wrote to Chairman Tillery. Anybody wants to reach out to me, I'm easy to find. Just Google me.
Well, I'll make sure that the members of the committee get it too, Mr. Futch. You did give that to me, and I'll make sure they get a copy.
Well, thank you. That's really all I've got to say. I appreciate being here. I appreciate y'all being here. And it's of note that all the lieutenant governor candidates are in one room. So